Here was ready to do a spicy edamame recipe. Let me tell you what, it's amazing. I used to sell this at the restaurant all the time. And a lot of people try and make spicy edamame the right way. The one that Hiro makes is the best I've ever had. I'm not just saying that. We haven't shown this on YouTube in a long time at all. We haven't shown this at all, Hiro, because
Spicy edamame?
spicy edamame recipe.
Yeah, we haven't done it.
And I'll tell you why, because it's something he wants to keep to himself. No, really, that's why we never filmed it. This is, let me tell you, by far the best spicy edamame recipe out there. So the ingredients are fresh garlic, a little soy sauce, of course the edamame, and the 7 spice powder. Tagarushi, right? Tagadashi?
Yes, steamy togarashi.
You can find some of this at your local Asian grocery market. Let me tell you, it's the best spice of your food. Ichimi togarashi. Basically, it's 7 spice powder. This is the secret right here. Let's do it with the tool here.
Oh, again, I made a mistake, another mistake. I put the wrong hole.
Smell that fresh garlic. Nothing like fresh pressed minced garlic. We are at Hiro's studio.
Yeah.
This is one of our old co-workers, Nick.
Hello.
Nick Lou. And then we're offering him a drink. This is
Yeah, the
Blue Label. Let's look at Hiro's collection here. Just want to point this out. You got black, you got double black, got gold, you got a Blue Label, you have Doers, Awfully, Pacto, Navio, Hennessy, Hibiki. This is Remy Martin, Chambord. And then back here, he's got the Havana Club, another Havana Club, another Havana Club. This is the new bottle. New bottle. This is the old one, old style. Another Havana Club, another Havana Club. He's got all these Havana Clubs. Bunch of these bottles. Unbelievable. Old sign. And hate to say this, but we are going to do some damage here, right?
Yes.
It's just
Nick is leaving back to LA tomorrow. But I don't know, did you bring enough money? Cab ride, and you paid for your plane ticket already?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to leave my bags after they clean me up. I won't have to check my bags anymore.
We'll see. A little poker action. All right, state your name and your occupation. And how much money did you bring today?
My name is Nick, and I'm about to go home as broke as an unemployed person.
Oh, sure.
My name is Mishko, and I plan to win it all.
All right, I like that. Well, my name is Charlie, and I'm just here. I usually play, but I play in Zanga. You still play Zanga or no?
I haven't played Zanga in a long time. I haven't played poker in a while, actually.
Yeah. But the good thing is we used to play together at the restaurant.
Mm-hmm.
And I know how these guys play. Nick is always sitting next to me. Because he's waiting, huh? I saw you how you just kind of sat down and eased yourself into that seat. Because you always want to be after me. I see that. No, don't worry. I know how to handle that. And that's usually where Mitsuka sits. And then Hiro usually sits here. Let's flip. Let's, Nick, you're very good at dealing. Go ahead. And we've been talking about how we've been...
That's the deal with me. Who's gonna be the
Yeah, see who's got the biggest card?
Big blind.
me the big blind?
Yeah, you're the big
Okay,
blind,
the
and
big
then
blind start. Okay.
And we were saying how we've
Oh,
been...
this is the dealer one.
yeah, the dealer chip.
That's the dealer.
Well, we should see who's dealing first. We'll just see whoever has the biggest card is the dealer. Yeah. Do you want me to shuffle since you're recording?
Okay.
And beginning, how much is that? To
Oh yeah, let's do it every 30 minutes. So right now it's I guess 510. Easiest 510
510.
for buying. I mean, small blind, big blind. Here we've been saying how been dying to play poker on your new table, right?
Yeah.
Finally, this is a very memorable moment.
Almost
Playing
last
poker.
when? When was the last time? we
Oh my
played
goodness.
poker?
Years and years ago.
Since actually you left, we really not even playing the poker.
Yeah.
anymore.
So like 3-4 years.
Yeah, yeah.
longer. You have to cut them.
Even the Zanga poker, I'm not gonna play much.
You know, playing Zen, I used to play.
I haven't played Zanga either.
Okay,
so
how
you're
deal?
good.
To the fourth? Oh, no, let's go.
Nick has
Friendship.
friendship. This is our first hand. There was 2 on the flop, 2 5s, a pair of 5s, and he had actually trips here. And then
The straight
Hiro
is the three. Yeah,
got it straight.
Yeah, I just waiting for 4. I wish in the 4 I see in this area.
Nice.
But
I should have
Wow.
been higher.
Yeah,
on the
but higher.
team.
Push him up.
Yeah.
Hiro, congratulations.
thank you.
Take it, take it.
All right.
Yes, congrats.
All right. Nice first hand.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Oh, Hiro, what did you say?
Huh?
What kind of hand was that?
Great friendship. Welcome to my house.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Always a good afternoon for Hiro. Okay. Okay, he's waiting for a straight. He's got 4 and a 5. He needs a 6 to complete that straight. Nick right now is a pair of
8s.
8s. Okay.
He could kill you with 4 shots, or if he hits 2.
Yeah, 2 spades would also do it.
All right, Nick. What's the turn?
The turn.
No, wait, this way.
We'll keep it away from the camera.
Slowly.
No way!
My power again. Welcome to my house.
Wait, there's still another
This
card.
one is
No, your percentage just went down. You almost had a flush.
Do not
I
get
mean,
killed by straight flush.
straight flush. Look at that. Almost.
Oh wait, yeah, he has the
okay.
straight.
What do you need?
Hero
5, 6, 7, 8, 9 or 4, right?
If you get the 4 of spades and you got a straight flush,
Wait,
4, 5, 6.
the only thing that would
So-
save me would
what's gonna save you?
Need a 9, no?
Nothing. He's already got
9
it.
or 4, right?
Wait, let me see.
Nothing to do.
6, 7, 8. Yeah, no, I don't think anything can save me.
Yeah, but
It's heroes. It's gonna be
Heroes.
another 6 just to
Okay, Hero. I can't believe you called that.
Okay.
Okay, the last card. Yeah, go ahead, Hero.
King.
Yeah, no, nothing saved
Nothing.
me.
Wow.
So this is my last tip.
What's the famous saying now? Welcome
Again,
to my house.
straight, no? Straight finish. I mean,
Yeah,
start.
straight.
Yeah. Welcome to
Nice.
my house.
Good afternoon.
Yeah.
Very good afternoon.
Good afternoon.